Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, we'll see how to create a website using a GitHub. So I'll create my account using GitHub first. Okay, put all the detail what is required for this. And this verifying my account. Okay, so created account. So we can see here it is telling that we can create a website with GitHub pages. So see how to create that. So new. Okay. I have not verified it, so I'll go back to my email and verify it. Once it is verified, it is going to allow you to create the website. Okay. So we have to give the name that the same as your username dot github dot io. So this is your domain name. Okay. I'll give the description also. Yeah. So next, there is a license, add license, all these things. I'm not using anything just now. Directly, I'll go and create a repository. Okay. Okay. Now, go to setting. The first step, what we have to do, and tell that we want this as a GitHub pages. So GitHub page, choose theme. So I'll choose this theme, then select the theme. Okay, actually seeing our website is ready with the first page data is this. Okay, I'll change this welcome to Sanskriti Technology GitHub page. Okay, in this first page it is given like how we can write the heading, I mean header 1, header 2, header 3 and all that things. So I don't want to use this format because I want to create a HTML page. So I'll go back and delete that index.md. Okay, no, I'll change this configure file. The configure file I want the name title as Sanskriti Technologies. I edit it. Okay, title Sanskriti Technology and description is crafting the digital future. And every time we have to commit changes and only it will update. Okay, I'll check once again how my website looks. Okay. 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 Welcome to Sanskrit Technology, and the top title also is Welcome to Sanskrit Technology because I have edited that config file. Now, I'll delete this. Okay. Index.md. Instead of that, I'll create my HTML and write HTML file. That HTML file is only to display one hello world. So go to create new file, okay, then index.html. Now this is important. Our home page should be index.html. Those who don't know the coding, and I'll write the HTML code. Okay. Hello world. So this is what I wanted to display. Hosting is easier in for free in the GitHub, and we have this GitHub Desktop. So if you want to do any changes, like instead of first uploading into the GitHub page, okay, the website, and then checking, you can check in your local, in your computer. So you can download this GitHub Desktop, and GitHub Desktop is like whatever you have created in your GitHub, the same thing it will clone in your desktop. Okay, or if you're doing any changes in the GitHub Desktop, that can be uploaded directly. Like only that changes will be updated. So it is very helpful if you're downloading the GitHub Desktop. Now I have this repository, so I'll clone this. Okay, we can choose the local path where you want to clone that. One disadvantage in the GitHub page is like we cannot create a contact page, because we need a Apache server to respond to that contact, or take input and send it to the email. So for that, how to create the contact page in the GitHub, I'll give the explanation in another video. Please subscribe to the channel, so you'll come to know when I'm uploading the new file. Okay, this is my HTML file, what I have uploaded there. So same thing, now it is present in my desktop also. Okay, so if I do any changes, that will be, if I do only like changes, that will be shown here. So I can commit to the master. There is a button to commit to the master, so it's changed only in the local. So we can do the same thing, upload in the.
Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.